Living on a mountain is a dream. Fresh air, amazing views, peace and quiet. But building a house on a mountain, that's a whole other challenge. This is the story of a house designed to conquer the elements. It's a story of innovative design and specialist materials, and it all starts with a love of the mountains. The owners, avid climbers, wanted a home that reflected their passion. They dreamt of a modern, sustainable house. It had to be strong enough to withstand anything. They wanted to feel connected to the outdoors. Large windows were a must. The house needed to blend into the landscape. Building at high altitude is tough. The weather is unpredictable. Snow, wind and rain are constant threats. Transporting materials is difficult. We use special materials to combat the elements. The walls are super insulated. The roof can handle heavy snow. We installed high-performance windows. This house is designed for adventure. There's a gear room for storing climbing equipment. A mudroom keeps the house clean after hikes. Large windows offer breathtaking views. The open-plan living space is perfect for relaxing after a long day outdoors. This house is more than just a home, it's a mountain refuge.